Your car might be sick and it's giving you these 3 symptoms. It's time for a checkup. Does your car shake or shudder, especially when you're stopped at a light? That's not normal. It feels rough, unstable, sick. Are you hearing weird sounds? A cough from the engine, a sputter from the exhaust, the engine struggling to breathe right, and the most obvious sign, this. If your check engine light is flashing, it's not a suggestion, it's an emergency. The diagnosis? It's an engine misfire. This could be caused by bad spark plugs, failing ignition coils, or clogged fuel injectors. Don't ignore the symptoms. Get it checked out before a small sickness becomes a major operation.